Is evolutionary ethics social Darwinism? Have you ever wondered if the ideas behind evolutionary ethics and social Darwinism are the same? While they both draw from evolutionary theory, they are actually quite different. Let's break it down. Evolutionary ethics looks at how our moral behaviors and feelings might have developed through evolution. It suggests that traits like fairness and altruism may have helped our ancestors survive and reproduce. This means that our sense of right and wrong could be shaped by natural selection. In this view, morality is seen as a natural part of human development, not just something dictated by religion or pure reason. On the other hand, social Darwinism misuses these evolutionary concepts. It applies the idea of survival of the fittest to human societies, often to justify social hierarchies and inequalities. This ideology suggests that competition and inequality are natural and beneficial for society. However, social Darwinism is not a scientific theory. Instead, it is a socio-political interpretation that has been criticized for its ethical implications. So, what are the key differences? Evolutionary ethics is about understanding how morality has evolved. It can be descriptive, normative, or meta-ethical. It seeks to explain why we feel certain moral emotions or behaviors. Social Darwinism, however, is prescriptive. It promotes social policies based on a flawed interpretation of evolution, often leading to discrimination and oppression. Evolutionary ethics views morality as an evolved trait. For example, cooperation among individuals can enhance survival chances, so those with moral dispositions may have been favored by natural selection. This does not mean that all evolved traits are morally right. It simply explains how they could have come about. In contrast, social Darwinism takes the concept of fitness and misapplies it to justify social dominance. This ideology has been historically used to defend harmful practices like racism and eugenics. And like evolutionary ethics, which seeks to understand morality through science, social Darwinism prescribes social policies based on a misunderstanding of evolution. Understanding evolutionary ethics can enrich our moral philosophy. It helps us reflect on why we have certain moral intuitions without endorsing any specific moral system. Social Darwinism serves as a warning about how scientific ideas can be twisted to support unethical agendas. In summary, evolutionary ethics is a scientific approach to understanding morality through evolution. Social Darwinism is a discredited ideology that misuses these concepts to justify inequality. They are fundamentally different in both purpose and ethical implications.